Hi, I'm Stuart and I'm the owner of Your Car Haggler, and I want to be your car haggler. I'm a licensed auto broker helping you save time, money, and the aggravation involved when it comes to buying a car and all of the games that come with it. This series is all about auditing car dealerships and the deceptive tactics that they use and how you can avoid them. Let's go. How is a consumer supposed to have any sort of chance to get a fair deal when they get to the dealership? There are not even window stickers on the cars. I walked around this dealership while I was getting my oil changed, and I thought I would see what the lot looked like. Were the window stickers on the car, as they are required to be by law? That is called the Monroney label. While walking around, I discovered several vehicles without window stickers. Window stickers are put on during the manufacturing process, but there are times where some dealerships or salespeople will remove the window sticker. Now, why would a salesperson do that? If you walk onto the lot and you're not entirely sure how much a vehicle costs, let's take a RAV4 LE, for instance, that car starts around $30,000. But if you don't know that, let me pull up this RAV4 for you to drive. I pull up the RAV4, there's no window sticker in the car, but I know that this car costs about $30,000. The customer says, "Oh, how much is this?" "Well, it's $33,000, somewhere in there." The customer, not having necessarily done enough research online, says, "Okay, well, it is what it is. That's how much it costs," not even thinking that they might be told the car costs more than the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Now, a manufacturer's suggested retail price is exactly that, suggested. Pre-COVID, a lot of times you would be able to get a discount on that car. But with COVID and the shortage, a lot of dealerships are selling cars over MSRP. Now, I do know, factually, legally, a window sticker is required to be in that vehicle and not removed until it is being delivered to the consumer, or even have the window sticker removed by the consumer. But when the window sticker is clearly removed or tampered with to potentially try to sell the car for more money, it's a very dishonest tactic that some dealerships will use. So instead of saying to you, there's a $3,000 market adjustment, and having that argument about why should I pay $3,000 more than sticker, if I just tell you a $30,000 car costs $33,000, you think you're paying $33,000 for a $33,000 car, but you have no idea that you're being charged over MSRP, and you are illegally not receiving your sticker in some instances. How do you prevent this? You demand that a dealership prints out the original Monroney. Do not ask to see a spec sheet. It needs to clearly be a window sticker, because a spec sheet can be manipulated. Now, a Monroney label could in fact be manipulated as well, but I would think there might be some legal ramification to editing a Monroney label. What else can you do? You hire me to help you. You don't necessarily have to walk on the lot. You don't have to talk to the dealership. I do it all for you. I'm not going to let a client of mine pay over MSRP for a vehicle that should be discounted, in fact. Is there a grade lower than an F? Because that's what this dealership would get. I didn't find just one or two cars that were missing the window sticker. It was well over 12 vehicles on their lot that did not have window stickers. I wish I knew how to report this dealership for them to be held accountable for their actions, but unfortunately, it would likely fall on deaf ears. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Stuart, and I want to be your car haggler, no matter where you live. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, tell your best friend, tell your worst friend. No matter where you live, I can help you beat the Stealership so they don't screw you.